So, hello guys. Hi, this is to my YouTube subscribers. So, today I just came up with a new idea and I just wanted to share with you. Okay, I forgot to say, mm, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you're new here, hi, my name is Adio, and thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to click the sub button and the all notifications so you can get updates to my newest and my latest video. That's not the story. So today I just wanted to tell you that I'll be posting two videos in one vlog. Yeah, I'll be posting like two video in a vlog where I'll be doing the actual video and the reversal video. So I saw it's a bit sort of like interesting for some people to see me doing my art but in a reversal way. Like I'm doing it backwards. Like if it was a flower, I'm trying to do it like, okay, I'll just fix it. You'll just see on my next vlog. I'll post the actual video. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'll be posting the reversal video. But I'll match market the actual video because I know you'll obviously go for the reversal one. So that's all for today. Always remember to work hard and have good intentions and try everything until you find what you love the most and make efforts to perfect it and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching and bye.